What's up everyone, my name is Jay, and today another unboxing slash review, and today this is something different, something special. First of all, let's look at the box. It's just a plain regular box, okay, well made. I like the details on the box, like textile, cloth, but yeah, it looks really nice. Just a plain black box with the branding in gold fonts, gold design, and on the side of the box we have made in England. Okay, so on the other side we can see the size tag of the shoes, and today we are unboxing the 1461 shoes by Dr Martens, and once again a collaboration between Dr Martens and the Japanese brand UNDERCOVER. So yeah, just a quick history about the shoes. So the 1461 came a year after the release of the 1460, which is an ankle length boot released in the 1st April 1960, hence the name 1460. So that being a high top ankle boot, a year after 1st April 1961, Dr Martens released the 1461. Let's look at some of the details. Very smooth, very durable, very nice, very posh leather. As you can see, the entire upper is covered in that leather. And then on the side as well, we have this slogan from the UNDERCOVER brand. It says, "We make noise, not clothes." I hope you can see that clearly. We make noise, not clothes. As you can tell, it has the Dr Martens yellow thread. From afar, you can tell these are, Dr Martens. I like small details making huge differences. So Dr Martens have this technology that provides comfort in their shoes, and it's called the airwear. As you can see there, so this shoe has that technology as well. But to be honest, I can't really feel any softness. I can't really feel the shoe being that soft on the inside, even though I like the idea of brands trying to make their shoes more comfortable and it looks like something I would wear, even though I'm not into these kind of shoes. But yeah, I mean, I like them, I would wear them, but unfortunately I didn't find them in my size. So these are size 43. That's UK 9. I'm UK 8, size 42. And as you can tell, they're really nice, very clean, very smooth leather on the top, very posh, easy to clean, easy to maintain, very soft at the bottom as well. Let me know what you think about them. Yeah, very stylish. I like them. I like them. I wish I found them in my size. Yeah. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.